Hello, this is a Bluthner style 5 grand piano, 175 centimetres long, that's 5'9" long, and it's made in 1914, Sheraton style casework. This was quite common in those times, and in fact we have another Bluthner grand that has Sheraton style casework too. Bechstein also very commonly with Sheraton. You look at the beautiful veneer here. This has been repolished and it's just come into stock, so just want to appreciate the piano and see if there's any other work we need to do. We have actually already worked on this piano, so when I say it's come into stock, it's really just come onto the showroom floor, is probably more accurate. So we have been working on this piano, and my colleagues tidied up the case, which looks to me almost immaculate. Beautiful veneer as well, as you can see, typical rosewood. It's been fully restored and repolished at some stage, and it doesn't show any fading on the top lid, which is encouraging, because you often get a fade line here, as we've said before, where the lid's been held back. So there's no fade line, and the polish is quite bright, so it's quite reflective polish, but you can still see the grain very well. The acoustic side is in extremely good condition. Check the tuning pins, look very tight, and they're larger tuning pins than the original, as you would get because it's been restrung. And a very excellent job done. We'll listen to the tone of it in a second, but as you can see, cosmetically is extremely good. Bluthners are renowned for their mellow tone, which really suits domestic setting. And then the treble here, it just sings beautifully too. And tenor area. And break point. You can hardly tell the break point. That's the point at which the strings cross over each other. Excellent rich tone right to the bottom of the piano. We fine regulated the action, and there's extremely little hammer wear, as you can see from the top of the hammers. The main work we've done on the piano is lubrication of the balance rail. We've done casework, and obviously made that good, and pitch raising the piano, voicing the hammers, and general regulation of the piano. So it's the kind of work we would do on any piano that we get into stock. And you can see the key weighting is now, it's actually slightly less than it was before we lubricated, so it's excellent. If you are an occasional musician rather than practicing all day long, then you'll find this touch weight is slightly lighter than average, which is very encouraging for you. So that's a Bluthner style 5 grand piano, 175 centimetres long, 5'9" long, and Sheraton style cabinet work, which is not the commonest, and normally it's plainer sort of square legs and this kind of desk, but not the dual tapered legs that we've got here. So it's quite a common style in that era though. There's various aspects on this piano on the restoration that make it feel slightly different. Mainly the key dip is 10mm instead of 10.5, which is normal for most grands, or even 11. But that was common for Bluthners at that time, and the hammer blow is less, so it works very well. Hammer blow 45, again, less for Bluthners at that time very often. So you will find them between this and 10.5 normally, so there's a bit less than normal, so it does feel different, for it's beautiful to play. Very gentle. So if you want a gentle tone Bluthner grand piano that looks beautiful, then this is an ideal instrument. We have several Bluthner grand pianos in stock, so the prices are really low, and at the moment we're encouraging, as you'll see if you look at other videos, you'll see that we're encouraging more sales. Have a look at the other videos and you'll see exactly what I mean. So thank you very much for listening. Please write to info@robertspianos.com if you're interested. If you want to try the piano out, then you can rent it for a period as well. Try it out and then see if it suits the acoustics of your home.